Hey everybody, I'm Justin Vierra with the Vierra Group at Keller Williams Realty, and today I want to check in with you on your 2019 mid-year market update. So, if you've been following the conversation with me or studying real estate going back at least the last 6 to 9 months, we've all been kind of tracking which direction this market's going to go. Late last year we saw some hiccups with the market and some slowdown with the increase in interest rates, and then some shifts as we went earlier into the year. And we've all been kind of looking to see, is this market going to go trend downward or is it going to trend upward? So looking at today's market, it really seems like we're going to continue on an upward pace with this market. Right now we're seeing lower levels of inventory and average to above average homes sold. So we're starting to see that shrinkage in inventory. And so right now we're at about 1.5 months of inventory. And that really seems to be the point of inflection year over year, where you see some competitive offers, you see homes moving faster. And that's really evidenced in the stats right now. Right now we're seeing homes on average sell at about 22 days. Or the median days on market at 10 days. So somewhere between 10 days and 25 days, home is sold. And 80% of all homes on the market are selling within 30 days. So the market is now moving quicker. We see some areas or price ranges with multiple offers, in fact. Now we have a little bit more good news when it comes to the market. Looking at equity or appreciation in the market, that is also back on track. Year over year, we're plus 4% on market appreciation from the highs of 2018. So whereas we saw the market increase up to 375,000 and then come down, the market now has surpassed that last high and is added about 4%. So now we're at about 390,000 on average for a home in Sacramento. So a nice sustainable level of appreciation there. And we really think that that'll be the story going forward, so long as rates remain low and people remain optimistic about housing and the general economy. So for my buyers in the market, this is all really positive news and can sometimes sound a little bit frightening. Maybe the market's too aggressive for them, or maybe they're not qualified to compete. But I would strongly advise you just to sit down with a professional and really just get prepared and understand what you can purchase and understand that not every home is ultra competitive. And there's certainly plenty of opportunities for most home buyers in the market today. And for my sellers in the market, I think it's really important to be optimistic about being a homeowner and your home appreciating in value. But it's also really important to understand that buyers aren't making bad decisions when it comes to real estate. They're not overbuying. They're very rarely overpaying, and they're very conscious about the debt load that they're taking on. So we really have to understand what the opportunity is with your home, whether it's a first-time home buyer or a move-up buyer, or maybe something in between, and carefully consider who might be buying the home and how best to position it, because people aren't just buying blindly. So this has been your mid-year 2019 market update. I'm Justin Vierra with the Vierra Group at Keller Williams Realty. If you have any questions about the market or buying or selling your home, please feel free to reach out to me any way that's helpful. And I appreciate you sharing the video and any comments that you might have. Thanks again.